Hello everyone, welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. Today we will know about linear component pattern in SolidWorks assembly. I insert a component, this component, open. Now I insert one more component, this component, open. Rotate it along z-axis, OK. Now select mate, this face and this face, COCENTRIC, OK. Again select this face and this face, COINCIDENT, OK. This face and this face, COINCIDENT, OK, again OK. Now select linear component pattern, direction 1. I select this direction. From here you can specify distance of spacing between components, and here you can enter number of instances. You can also apply in direction 2. We will apply linear pattern only in this direction, so I delete this direction 2. Component to pattern, I select this component. Now I specify space between two components. I enter 200. Number of instances, 8 number of instances. You can also skip any component by here instances to skip. Just select this pink dot. The components will skip. OK. This is linear component pattern in assembly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.